Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload this file to an S3 bucket. So I've created a test bucket and it's currently empty. So I'm going to assume that you have awscli configured already. I've configured mine. I've put in my access key, my secret access key, my default region. So yeah, and also you have to have Boto 3 installed. You can install it with pip 3 install. I already have it installed. So okay, so here we import the Boto 3 library, then we import #lib. So here we set the name of the bucket we are going to be uploading to, and here's the name of the file we'll be uploading. So here we have to read the file we'll be uploading as a binary, then we store it in this variable, then we calculate the MD5 hash value of the file, then we print the MD5 hash value. So here we will create an S3 client, then we try to upload the file. This is the access control list for the file, then the body of the file, which is this, the file in binary, then the name of the bucket we are uploading to, then the name of the file, or essentially the name we want the file to be stored as in S3. So after uploading the file, this will extract the MD5 hash value of the file currently in S3, then we print out the hash value. Let's run the application. So let's check if the file was actually uploaded. I'll reload the page. And this is the file. And also, because these two hash values, they are the same, it means that the file, the local file and the file in S3, they are the same. So, thanks for watching.